Well, the Discovery Children's Museum is the only children's museum in Las Vegas, and for 31 years they continue to educate our youth in a fun way. So today we are talking all things science and summer, and joining us is Gordy Driver. Gordy, how are you?
Doing well. How are you doing, Jimmy?
Good. I feel a little underdressed, but
That's all right.
You're the professional here. So before we start playing with everything, because I'm really excited about this, let's talk about what the museum has planned for the summer. You guys have some fun things coming up.
That's right. So on June 6th, we've got our Golf Open that is happening at Reflection Bay.
Awesome.
On June 6th, and which please go check it out. Over the summer, we've also got our summer camp programs that are happening throughout the entire way. They are almost filled, so please make sure you sign up if you want to join those programs. Other than that, it's just another fun day at the museum. Come on by, enjoy a local discount if you are a Las Vegas native. Come on by and we'll be happy to have you.
Well, thanks for bringing the museum to us here today.
Of course,
I can't wait to play around. So what are we starting with?
So we've got quite a few things right here. I know we got so much time today, but we're going to be demonstrating our oscillating experiment here. So this is what we call an oscillating stoplight. So as you may see, it's just colorless water that we've got right here, but we're going to add a few ingredients to this water today. First, we got some dextrose, which for any of you who know out there at home, this is just going to be a base of sugar. And I'll go ahead and add that sugar right in now.
Should I prepare for anything to explode?
Nothing will explode.
Give me a warning, Gordy.
No, I will not. I would not do that to you. No. So what we got right here is we got that mixing in right now.
Okay.
But we're going to go ahead and add some very special fluid right here. This is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is naturally caustic to the skin. So I've got these fancy gloves right here, and you'll be safe, Jillian. Don't worry, because that's all it's going to do is go right here in our flask, just like that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm actually going to pop this lid back on.
Okay.
Give it a nice little shake. You can see it right there.
Okay.
And it's actually going to feel, if you want to put your hand right there, you can actually feel it's kind of warm right now.
Yeah,
that's just to let know that the chemical reaction is occurring.
Okay.
And so what we're going to do is we're going to add our last ingredient right here. It's a little bit of a milky. It's going to turn transparent in a second. We're going to add some of this blue dye right here. This is actually indigo carmide. Indigo carmide is the same dye that you use in your blue jeans. So we're going to go ahead and add some of this indigo carmide right here in our vial.
I have no idea what's about to happen. I'm really excited to see it.
It's quite all right.
You're like Bill Nye the Science Guy. That's what I'm going to name you now.
We usually just do this experiment for our Wizard Week that happens annually, and so we like to play this as a potion per se because of its very dramatic color scheme. So we're going to go ahead and add that, and you can see it has that very bright yellow color there.
I was not expecting it to turn that color.
Because you saw that it normally is blue. So we're going to go ahead, take this in, we're going to stir it around just a little bit more.
Okay.
And you can see it actually starts as that yellow color.
Yes.
And then we're going to go ahead and shake it just a little bit more.
I'm so amazed right now. I was expecting this to be blue.
Yeah. And so what's going to happen is as those molecules are breaking down, we'll it's going to change colors, and we'll go ahead and actually review that in just a second. It's going to take about 30 seconds or so.
Okay, yeah. We're about to wrap up here, but I want you to tell me really quickly because I need to know what this is.
Yes, this right over here, this is a tornado generator built at the museum today. I'm talking way too fast.
Sorry, I'm getting excited.
It's very exciting. So what we got right here is hypersonic foggers that are creating a water vapor, which is having the vapors twirl on up through a in-house ventilation fan. It's creating a vortex that is going to be fun for kids to interact with. You can stick your hand right there and it'll just form. If you like to try, you're welcome to.
Okay, I would love to try. I mean, I've lived in Las Vegas my whole life. I've never seen a real tornado, so this is about as close as I'm getting to it. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I know you have a 4D printer going on over here too, but we do have to wrap up, so we'll continue to post everything on social media.
Yes, please do.
Be sure to go check out the Discovery Children's Museum. You can take part in fun things like this all the time. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jillian.
All right, JC, I'll send it over to you.